I am Caroline from the Khan Academy Kids team, and today I am here for circle time with a bowl of lemons and my friend Sophie. Hello, Sophie.
Hi, Caroline. I am really interested to see what we're going to do with this bowl of lemons today. Lemons are one of my favorite very sour fruits. Hi, everyone. I'm also very excited to be here with you all. I can see lots of our friends are joining today, and it's time for circle time.
It is. I am so excited. Sophie, would you like some lemons?
I was hoping you could pass one to me because I'm all out of lemons.
It's going to be tricky because I'm at my house and you're at your house. But let's try. Ready?
Okay.
Here you go, Sophie.
Yay! Thank you.
Great
you passed
job. Do you want another one?
Yes, please.
Okay, lemon number 2. Here it goes.
Oh, thank you. Now I have a lemon. What about lemon number 3?
Okay, one more. This is a special one. You have to make it over to Sophie's house, okay? Here we go, lemon.
Special. Let me go to my door and reach out for it.
What happened?
Is this?
The lemon turned green?
I don't think that's a lemon. I think that somehow when it was traveling along, somebody got mixed up and I got a lime instead. But do you know what? I like to have a little bit of lime with my tacos. So I'm really glad that this got mixed up. I'm really glad that I have one lemon from you and another lemon from you. And then when you went to give me the third lemon, it actually turned out to be a lime.
I have 3 lemons and you have
2 lemons and 1 lime.
So how many lemons do we have together?
Oh, well, your 3 lemons, I'm going to put my lime down because it's actually not a lemon. Your 3 lemons plus my 2 lemons makes 3, 4, 5 lemons.
That's right.
We have 5 lemons.
We do.
That seems like a lot of lemons for making something really delicious. I'm just saying. I don't know if that's what you have in mind, but 5 lemons seems like a good number.
That's a good idea. We'll have to think about what we can do with these lemons. Should we read a book first? We're going to read Lemonade Stand
by Cynthia Platt.
It was a sunny summer day. It's so hot today, Sandy said. That's for sure, replied Olo. We need to stay cool somehow. Let's make some lemonade, said Sandy. To start, we need lemons, water, and sugar, Olo told Sandy. Together they squeezed a number of lemons. They poured in water. They sifted in sugar. The 2 friends each took a sip. Yuck, said Sandy. It's so sour, Olo added. Sandy stopped to think. I must have put in salt instead of sugar, she said. Uh-oh. What does salt taste like?
Salt? Well, that's difficult to describe. It doesn't taste like sugar. If you wanted to make your lemonade sweet, you wouldn't use salt, you would use sugar. And when you get that wrong, the lemons that are really sour, they stay sour, they don't go sweet. And then can you see the faces that Sandy and Olo are making? That's a face that you make when something is really sour, like, oh.
Let's start over, said Sandy. They stirred the lemon juice, water, and sugar. How does it taste? Sandy asked. Terrific, said Olo. How did the friends look now?
Oh, now they look happy. Sandy always does this when she's happy. She puts her arms up, and Olo always has a big smile just right under his trunk when he's happy.
Suddenly, Olo slipped and spilled lemonade everywhere. Oh no, Sandy said as she stepped back. It's so sticky, Olo added. The friends were feeling sad and a little stressed out.
Uh-oh. Look at Sandy putting her... If you see Sandy, she's putting her hands at her mouth. That's an uh-oh kind of sign.
Mm-hmm.
Oh dear.
They cleaned up the spill with paper towels. Should we start over again, asked Sandy, or should we stop now? Let's try again, said Olo. So they made some more lemonade, and it was perfect. Now let's make a sign, said Olo, and tape it to the side of a table, added Sandy. Soon, their lemonade stand was all set to go. They sat and waited for someone to stop by, but there was no one in sight. So why do you think they made a sign?
Sometimes when you make lemonade, you can share it with your family and just have it in your house or in your garden. But sometimes, I don't know if you've seen this, friends, sometimes people decide that they want to share it with other people, maybe their neighbors or their friends or someone who's out shopping.
That's right.
And so if you make a sign, then that tells people who are walking down, it looks like this is sort of in a park, that this is a lemonade stand. It's a place where you can go to get some lemonade. And that's why they had to make the sign say, hey everyone, this is the lemonade stand. You're welcome to come and try some lemonade if you like.
That's great. And just when it seemed like nobody was coming, Rhea, Peck, and Cody stopped by. Your lemonade is so tasty, Peck told them. Rhea and Cody agreed. Sandy and Olo's lemonade stand was a success. That's great. Should we do some activities now?
Yeah, I think so.
Great. And we were just talking about the lemonade stand. This is the word stand that is spelled S-T-A-N-D. And this word starts with the S-T, which the S normally makes the S sound, and the T normally makes the T sound. And so together, they blend together to make the st sound. Can you all say that with me? Can you think of other words that start with the st sound?
What about star, like a star in the sky? And what about stop, like stop please, this is a stop sign.
Those are good words. And this one is another one. It's start.
Do you know what I think when I think about that word? I think about how they had to start again when they accidentally put some salt instead of sugar.
They did. They had to start 2 or 3 more times. They start with lemons, water, and sugar. Can you find the word start?
Start. Great. That's the word start.
And this is the word that Sophie was talking about. Stop.
Stop, please.
And this is a fun game that we can play. Each of the orange pom-poms have a sound. So let's listen to them. Ah. So can we try to spell the word stop with these sounds? Stop sound starts with the S sound. Which one was that? This one. So I'm going to put this in the first box. And what's after the S? Not that one. Okay, let's
That
put
one.
here. Yeah. And then after in the word stop, you have st. Ah. Which one's ah? That's the next one. And what's the last sound in the word stop?
Stop. P. I think it's P.
That's right. Let's try it.
Yay! You made stop. That's the word stop.
And one more word. Also a st word, sticky. They spilled and the lemonade was so sticky.
Sticky.
That's the word sticky.
Mm-hmm.
That's the word sticky.
Now, can we use the st sound to make a new word? Let's drag it to the blank and see what word we made.
Cool beans. You spelled stir. That's the word stir.
Stir. And then at the end of the book, Cody, Rhea, and Peck stopped by, which is the word stop.
Stop.
That one.
That's right.
Super. That's the word stopped.
All right, here's our lemonade stand. What should we give to Sandy and Olo?
It looks like they probably need to make some more lemonade. So let's start with some lemons.
Okay, we'll give them some more lemons.
Thank you. Ollie says thank you. Sandy says thank you. Oh, that's a big lemon, yeah.
Lemons.
And then to keep it cold, we need some ice.
Nice. All right.
And then we need the water, I think we'll have next.
Mm-hmm.
And then we'll need the sugar, not the salt. This is the sugar.
Right. All right, friends. That was a wonderful story. Now what should we do?
Somebody said, one of our friends, that they liked watching the lemonade get made, and now they would like to see you make some lemonade outside of the story.
Oh, let me look around. Remember, I have my lemons.
Mm-hmm.
What are some of the other things that I will need to make lemonade?
Well, let's start with the water. And if you have a pitcher, that would be good.
Hey, let's see. Let's get my table out.
Do you have a table?
So we have our lemons.
Wow.
And we have our water.
Oh, yeah, I see it. Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
You also need some sugar.
Okay, I have some sugar.
And you don't have to have this right away, but when we serve it up, having some ice would be good.
I have some ice.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
You are always so prepared. My friend Caroline is always so prepared. That means she always has everything ready. She's very organized. So I think we just need to go back through this. For the lemonade, we have the lemons.
Lemons.
Check. We have the water.
We have the water.
Great. Check. We have the sugar.
We have the sugar.
Oh, check. And what about the ice for serving to keep it cold?
Yes.
Great.
That sounds great. So what's the first step? Do I need to do something to my lemon?
Well, with our friends, they're going to ask mom or dad or grandpa or grandma or some helper, a grown-up, to help them slice their lemon.
Okay, so I will be the grown-up cutting the lemon. And see our juicy, delicious lemon when you open it up. Squeeze the juice out of the lemon. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put the lemon on top And then press it down.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That is such a great thing, that juicer.
Yes, and you can see, friends, that the juice is coming out, but the little holes let the juice go into the bottom, but they keep the seeds at the top, so we won't have any seeds in our lemonade.
Oh, that's lucky.
Yeah.
It's very lucky.
Yeah.
Thank you for doing such a good job.
So this is 1/2 of the lemon, and then I still have another half of my lemon.
Oh, good.
We have to press down and squeeze a little bit
Lots
so that
of
all the juice can come out.
making lemonade.
You see our yellow lemon juice. And then now, so we have our pitcher.
Great.
We'll put our lemon juice.
Oh, can everyone do a pouring action? Can everyone do pouring when we pour lemons in? That's great.
Yes. And now, should we use our water and put some water
That's
in here?
more pouring, actually.
All right, let's pour
Pour it
the
in.
water.
Okay. You actually can't do dancing and pouring at the same time. You have to stay a little still. And then you can dance. Oh, that's great. I think we're missing one important ingredient.
What?
Well, right now it would be very sour. So we want it to be sweet. So I would love for you to add a little bit of that precious sugar that you have.
That's right. Was this the sugar? Or was this the sugar?
I think it's not that one. That's salt. That's a salt shaker.
So this was the one that they used in the story by accident.
Oops. Oopsie.
Yeah.
Let's go for some sugar.
Okay.
It looks a little bit different.
But it's pretty similar, so it's kind of hard to tell. These are
Ice.
to make it cold.
Oh, yes. This is so delicious. I'm so looking forward to drinking this.
There you go.
Oh, yum.
Maybe we need to stir it. Should we
Oh, yeah.
stir it? I think I'll have to pretend for all of you.
Okay, thank you.
Here you
Here's my
go.
glass.
Here you go, friends. Let's have a taste of our lemonade.
2 hands. I'm holding my cup. Oh,
It is refreshing.
delicious.
Delicious, not too sour. Well, thank you, friends, for making lemonade with us today and reading all about the lemonade stand. So, do you think you want to try maybe making lemonade today, or pretending even to make lemonade and maybe you could even pretend to serve some lemonade at your stand to your family today?
Yeah, I love that idea. I'm definitely going to try that today.
And I think your family will be very happy to have some.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Caroline. Thank you so much, friends, for joining us for Circle Time. I think we're going to finish up now, but we'll see you again tomorrow for Circle Time.
Yes, we're looking forward to it. Goodbye for now from Caroline and Sophie and the Khan Academy Kids team.
Bye, friends. Bye.